Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone. There may be few reasons on why this is happening. First reason is make sure to check that you are connected to a stable network connection, because sometimes the problem may be directly through your Wi-Fi or the router. Now another thing you can do is you can tap on the airplane mode option, and after 10 seconds you can simply turn it back on. Another thing you can do is you can go to your settings. There you can tap on general. And while you scroll down at the end, there you can see transfer or reset iPhone. You can tap on it. And there at the first you can see reset options. Simply tap on it. And there at the second you can see reset network settings. Tap on it. And after the network settings is reset, it may help fix your Wi-Fi not working problem. And these are some of the steps to fix Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.